Okay, so I've set the jig up on the centre line, making sure that the quill is parallel to the base, and just do a test to see that the cutter lines up with the two lines either side. We'll take a couple of cuts and then we can check it from the centre line to the position of the new cuts, and if it's not in alignment we can make a small adjustment on the base. I'll just nip the base up. You see I'm slightly out there. And now we can take a measurement to those corners if you're looking for a really accurate position on that. And this one actually is not that far out, but it could do with coming this way a bit because we're taking more off on this side than that side. And to make that adjustment, it's only a very small amount. Just slacken off the clamps, and I just tap it across a very small amount. And then just nip the clamps up again. Now we should take more off of this side than the other side. We're taking nothing off of that side. We'll just check our measurements again. A little bit. And now we're pretty much the same both sides. So then we can carry on and finish the square. Show you how to reduce these stubs down a lot smaller. Just small light cuts. Now we're near the final size. I just clamp the quill lightly. It's important you always switch the lathe off before you make any adjustments. Now I can actually bring the quill round 5 or 6 degrees and take the quill out a bit further. I can now get to these stubs on the end and reduce them down in size. Final cut, I just put a little bit of pressure underneath the arm and spring it back to the centre and let it go just after the centre. And the cutter falls away from the piece, leaving you a good finish without a line around the centre. Same the other side. Much its size. So again we'll just do our spring cut. So all we've got left to do now is to remove the stubs either end.